Should I read out the questions or should you read out the questions?
You can read out the questions.
It might be easier because I'll eat really quick.
Hi guys!
Let's do it again.
Okay.
I wasn't ready.
What do you want to do?
Sorry. Hi guys. Alright, let's go. Ready? We go, hi guys. And then you talk. Good. Ready? Alright, let's go. One.
Together?
One, two, three.
Hi guys.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Hi guys, welcome back. We will do a mukbang. So last time we did this kind of setup, Dan was like, we should do a Q&A. So we asked you questions. I will leave the link of that video in the eye. Nakatungka siya sa questions because I will be using my hands.
And I'll eat so quick that I'll have nothing to do for half an hour. So that's why.
Ang bilis niya matapos kumain. Anyway, our food.
Did you film the food or not yet?
Yeah.
You did?
That's yesterday's vlog, people. So Dan requested that. So meron tayong dynamite at saka mga spring roll. Kasi sabi niya kukulangin yung crab niya. Meron kaming tigi-isang mud crab. So that's his. Tinanggal niya yung shell kanina. And ang konti na lang natira. So kawawa naman siya, wala siyang ano. Steamed veggies, potatoes at saka carrots. And then we have lemon there and sauces for Danny Boy. And mine is chili crab. He will try some later. Pero this is like mine because it's spicy. And we've got our drinks ready. And we're ready.
Ready to rock and roll. Can we eat before we
we can
do
eat.
questions? I'm starving. I just want to have something to eat. I have a potato. I should put some salt on it.
Yeah, salt and pepper maybe.
Use that fancy.
Yeah. Masarap to guys. Meron akong vlog nito. Pinakita ko kung paano siya lutuin.
I feel like I'm in a restaurant.
Yeah.
Kmart, $9. Bargain.
It's good.
Bargain. Why are you putting rubbish on mine?
Can you put your crab there? Or I can get another plate for rubbish.
Get another plate for rubbish. I think it'd be better. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Then, because I'm gonna have rubbish as well.
Do you want to start with the first question?
Alright, first question is... Do you have any plans of having a house in the Philippines? Just for vacation, like a condo?
That's from Maria Fields.
No plans?
Not yet.
Yeah, not yet. You never know in the future.
For now, our plan is to like invest here, not in the Philippines yet. So, yun na muna yung plano namin. Dito muna.
Exactly. Alright. Do you guys fight? It always seems like you have a good time.
Who's that from?
Evie Santos. We do. We fight. Everyone fights, but not too often.
Yeah.
And if we do fight, it's normally just a little fight. We don't have too many big fights. Maybe once every 5-6 months.
Yeah.
We probably have 2 or 3 big fights a year when Raz is wrong. But yeah, nothing major.
Ang galing nito, meron akong taga-ask ng question while I eat.
What do you think of your future baby's name? We've got some name choices. We got Hercules. I like Hercules.
Nagbibiro lang yan, huwag niyo yung paniwalaan.
I do like Hercules.
No, you don't.
I do like Hercules. This is interesting.
Answer that, it's got 37 likes.
What is the difference when you have a girlfriend/wife Filipino compared to a foreign woman?
And why?
And why? I'm not sure and why, but difference. Raz is my first, only
Wife.
wife so far. For overseas anyway. Like all of my girlfriends have always been from here.
Yeah.
Like Adelaide. Difference is, it's hard to say because it's going to be very generalised. Like what's the difference? I only know Raz, so Raz might be different to other.
Yeah.
Yeah,
you can't generalize.
It's very generalised.
Yeah, you can't say what's the difference between a Filipina and.
It's weird generalisations. I don't want to generalise, But the difference with Raz compared to the other girls that I dated in Adelaide, in Australia, is Raz is definitely the most hardworking.
Thank you.
We're on the same page of a lot of things, which is very good, and we have the same goals, which probably means why we don't fight as much.
That's right, we have the same goals.
Yeah.
And it's not just me, you're hardworking as well. If I'm like hardworking and you're lazy, I don't think we will work.
Yeah. Yeah, but even like at the house, we both help around the house. Just you got to work together, otherwise.
Yeah, small and big things we work together.
Yeah, same team. So.
Good team.
Yeah. So yeah, there's no generalisation. Just Raz is the right one for me. What is the weirdest thing that I've done and you've liked?
I liked?
Yeah. What's the weirdest thing Dan's done that you liked? And that's from Jaira Daka.
I don't think it's weird, but I like it when you do role plays.
When I act.
Pero ano siya, basta...
But I act out the future.
Yeah, he does. And it's so funny. It's so funny. Tapos siya talaga, siya lahat ng character. Siya yung baby, siya yung ako. And yeah, as in sobrang funny talaga. Na hindi ko siya nakukuha sa camera. Minsan nakukuha, I think when we did ordering the same thing as the person in front of us, yung drive-thru, meron siyang medyo role play nun. And yeah, it's so funny.
Next one. This is from Rick V. If you will be having kids in the future, what would be the country you'd like to travel to as a family?
Oh, good job, babe. There's like, that's Taglish as well. Good job.
I just put it all together. What's the first place we travel as a family? Well, there's probably 3 places.
Oh, shoot. Yep.
What would they be?
I just did this. Is your hand clean?
Yeah. What's wrong?
Oh, yeah, my neck.
Where? There?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What would be the first 3? Oh, there's 3 places I want to travel to.
New Zealand.
New Zealand, maybe 1. Yeah.
Bali.
Bali's 2.
Yeah. Oh, I got it right. Japan.
No, Philippines.
Oh, of course. Wait, sorry.
So, New Zealand to see Sissy.
Yeah, because it's easy as well. New Zealand is not that far.
New Zealand's the same as Australia. It's good.
Yeah.
To see the family, so it all depends on the time of year.
Yeah.
So if it's like maybe a week holiday, it might be.
I'm pretty sure,
New Zealand or Bali. If it's longer, it'll be Philippines. Depends on what time of year, I guess.
Yeah, out of all 3 that we mentioned, Philippines will be like definitely one of the first one. I don't think we will think of like going to Bali and New Zealand if we
not straight away.
Nah,
probably not.
Yeah.
Probably not.
So Philippines will be at top of the list because of course, like you know, kapag may mga baby na kami, gusto naman namin sakita sa like the rest of the fam bam, you know.
What keeps our relationship strong? From Glenn.
What keeps our relationship strong, babe? I always get that question.
Keeps it strong.
And I can say that it is pretty strong, is it?
Yeah, most of the time it's pretty strong. What keeps it strong?
Most of the time. What keeps it strong, Danny?
Got no idea. Got no idea.
Maybe it's not that strong.
Nah, it's good.
Yeah, I don't know.
Strong.
Well, we trust each other.
Yeah, trust, and we talk, we communicate.
Yeah.
Better communicate.
Like.
And we're patient. I'm more patient than Raz. I'm more forgiving than Raz.
I'm forgiving, but you're just like.
I'm more forgiving.
More forgiving. Lagi kami nag-uusap, guys. Like, sa gabi, before kami matulog, we make sure na nagka-catch up kami kung anong mga ganap-ganap sa isa't isa. So, before kami matulog talaga, meron kaming cuddle time. Na, ano lang kami, nag-chika-chika lang kami. Sa kung anong mga, like, you know, plano. Kahit na alam na namin yung plano, pinag-uusapan namin yan paulit-ulit. And, yeah, we talk. We talk. He calls me, like, kita nyo naman sa vlog. Every day, tinatawagan niya ako. Every day talaga.
Just to make sure she's still here.
Pero yeah, diba? Ang sweet. Eh, ang tagal na namin. Ang tagal na namin. We've been together for so long and you still call me every single day.
What do you think of confessing my feelings to my crush? Should I do it or not? This is from Noreen De La Cruz.
Yep.
confessing if
Good
you come
reading.
to a crush, I say go for it.
If you think he likes you, then go for it.
No, if you're not sure, still go for it.
Yeah,
Because I've had some where I should have.
This is a girl, babe.
I know, but I had some where I should have and I didn't. A girl can do it as well, babe. Why can't a girl do it?
Yeah, but just imagine if this is your daughter, will you tell her, oh yeah, tell your crush that he's your crush? You will?
Yeah.
Aburit.
I would. I would.
You seriously will? No, if you think the guy likes you, then go for it. If
Nah, you wouldn't know though. How would you know? You might not know.
Okay.
I had this girl that I like, going back 20 years ago. This is how old I am. So,
Gusto ko yung mga story na ganito.
go back 20 years ago when I was 8 years old. So, and she worked at the pizza store near my house. So I really liked her, but I never got the courage to ask her out.
Aww.
So, but I kept on buying pizzas every day. Every day for ages. And I got really fat because I wanted to go see her. So by buying pizzas and every day. I ate pizzas. I should have told her.
Do you think she likes you?
I don't know. I never know.
She must
See?
have recognized you
Oh yeah. She lived on my street as well.
because you go every day.
She lived on the same street as well, so.
Aww.
Yeah. Queenie Santos, how to deal with Raz when she's on her period. She does change when she's on her period. It could be before or after, but there is a time for a day or two where she gets emotional, gets angry.
I always cry.
You never know.
Like I'm already really emotional, but during like that time of the month, grabe ako ka-emotional, as in, grabe talaga. Bigla na lang ako umiiyak kay Dan.
What is your favorite Filipino dish? What have I said before? I know hello hello. I like quake quake actually as a snack. That was good. That's
You
what
do now?
Yeah, but I've always liked quake quake.
Okay.
Fried chicken. That's what
Oh yeah.
But it's good.
Who's that from? Did you
That's
give
from
us-
Queenie Santos. She's got two questions.
Oh.
I don't know. Actually, sorry, I don't know if that was Queenie. No, this wasn't. It was Ako Singh.
Ako sig.
This is from Bebelos.
Babylors.
Bebelos.
Yep.
Have you thought about traveling to South Korea?
Seoul.
Our Seoul Korea, South Korea, same. Raz wants to go.
It's on the list, but not like anytime soon.
We always see the other Filipino YouTubers there, and I said to Raz, oh, hopefully you get invited onto one day, and she just wants to go with me. Sorry, other Filipino YouTubers. Okay, next one is from Princess Celadine. How to deal with a long distance relationship. I think Raz answered this 20 times, but what is it? Trust, communication is just the main two, really. Yeah.
Why do you think our long distance relationship worked?
We started talking in June,
May?
June. Then we met in December, so that was only 6 months of just talking.
Yeah, but we were not in a relationship yet then.
No.
Yeah, so that doesn't really count.
And then by April, you're in Australia.
Yeah,
So
true.
June, July. So it wasn't that long. It all was pretty quick. So it wasn't too bad. And the second part of the question is tips on traveling. Hashtag budget. What's your budget?
I don't think we're the best people to ask about budget because when we travel, we don't really like.
Not too bad. Yeah, we're not too worried. We look for some discounts when it comes to accommodation or tickets or something.
Yeah.
But once you're there, so you
Yeah.
just gotta enjoy it. So
Yeah, that's the thing. Once we're there, we don't really think, oh, this is too expensive.
Nah.
If we want to eat at like a specific restaurant, we eat there. We
Yeah.
don't care about how
Yeah.
much it is.
if you want to see something, we just see it.
Yeah.
And if you just want to buy something, you buy it. So
Yeah.
because you never know when you're gonna go back. You may never go back. So
Yeah, so hindi kami sobrang budgetarian when it comes to kapag nandun na kami.
Yeah.
But like tickets, we do our best to find the best deals, but sometimes we really we don't really have a choice because sometimes like that's the only like available date that we can go, so hindi talaga.
But actually, we spend more on traveling to the Philippines for airfares than anywhere else.
Yeah.
Like if you travel Christmas time to the Philippines, you're paying twice as much as least to any other. It's just best time of year to be there, but
Yeah.
it's
So expensive.
yeah, but that's why we do it. So we're not good at budgeting because
We're not.
we want to be there Christmas time, so we just pay it. Do you work in the corporate world? I have to say, I'll give you a hint. I don't work in the corporate world.
It's
Yeah.
Okay.
I might wear a shirt, but I'm not a corporate person. Do I look like a corporate? I'm not a corporate guy.
It can be corporate though.
It can be, but
Yeah.
I don't consider it.
From Janet Tiglaw Makaspak. Love advice. Hahaha. How will you make your husband or wife miss you more anytime?
Ha!
Anytime. I'm curious if Dad is watching your vlog. He used to watch every single vlog. Now, he doesn't watch me anymore. He doesn't support me anymore. For me.
No, because I live with Raz. I don't have to watch her on YouTube. I'm living the YouTube, so.
Yeah. When we were apart, he would watch like every single one.
Yeah.
He does check my vlogs though, to check the comments and just to like go back to old vlogs, but not like some of you guys that, you know, watch every single day. Thank you very much. How will you make your husband or wife miss you more anytime?
How would you make me miss you more?
I don't miss you.
There you go. We don't miss each other because we see each other all the time.
Yeah, and
True.
he calls me. And we make sure that we spend time together. Ito ha, when I was working, merong like times na I have to work on weekends. But I always make sure na isa-swap ko siya with someone else. Because that's like my time to spend with him. That's his day off. So, we like make sure that nag-effort talaga kami na like, you know, magkasama kami. Right? Babe?
Yep, that's right.
That's right. From Hamin Vlogs, how long were we in a long distance relationship for? How did you manage? We kind of answered already. How
miss your family?
How I do miss them, of course, but I go home often kasi guys, so parang mas nalilesen yung miss kasi I make sure na umuwi talaga ako at least once a year talaga at least.
Right, 1 to 10, is it fun when you're in Manila and why? So, I reckon I had fun in Manila. I'll give Manila an 8.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I had fun.
If we have family in Manila, we will definitely go back. The thing is, wala kasi kaming family doon. And traffic is a boyage. It is crazy. Tapos kapag wala kang family, wala kang sasakyan, walang susundo sa'yo. Ang hirap, ang hirap. That's why this trip we're not going back in Manila. That's the reason.
Next one is from May Veronica. Does Dan understand at least one Filipino word or phrase? I do. So I know some Filipino words, but...
Sige. This one.
Ilang. Bebap. Bibig.
Good job.
Mata.
Good job! That is another one. This one.
What's that? What are you pointing to? Oh, I don't know. Oh, wait. Kalong. Kilong. Kilong? No?
Close.
Kalik.
No.
Kalai.
Yes! Kilay.
Kilai.
Kalay.
So I learned that this week. So yeah. So I know a few, but not that much. Alright, this one's from Erica Kayla. Rate 1 to 10, spending Christmas in the Philippines.
10.
Raz goes 10. What do you go for New Year's? How much do you go for New Year's?
10.
10. Alright. I'll go 7.5 to 8 for Christmas.
Okay.
And 10 for New Year's.
Why only 7.5 for Christmas?
I don't...
You prefer the Christmas here, do you?
I prefer the Christmas here. We do more of a family thing and more food. So, Raz, you guys don't do as much as a family thing. True?
Well, we have a small family, so
Yeah.
it's just us, really.
This is from G. Rosella.
Yeah.
How many kids do you want and why? I think we might have answered this before, but what's your number?
2 or 3.
I agree, 2 or 3.
Yep.
Like, 3 would be good, but
If we
just give us 1. Just 1. What do you say, babe?
If we have a boy and a girl, then we're done with 2.
Agree. If we have 2 boys or 2 girls, we'll seriously consider the 3rd. The only thing that scares me is it's when they move out of home in the future. So if we have 3 and we have them over a 5-year period, they won't leave home until I'm an old man. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's the only thing that worries me. So, but we'll worry about that
After we have one.
after we have one. Keza Miles Sultan, will you choose work or making videos, or you pursue your passion?
No.
No, it's close.
What will
It's
you
in
choose?
Tagalog, so.
What will you choose? A job with high salary, or will you pursue your passion with a smaller salary and not stable?
Oh. Alright,
I think we will have different answers.
I know what Raz will say.
What?
You will say your passion, because you got to enjoy what you do.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree, but disagree. Your passion's good, but you still got to pay the bills. So
No, I'm just lucky that my passion is like,
pay the bills, so that's good.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like when my YouTube was not like paying that well, I was working. So I was doing my passion and working at the same time.
That's true. Good answer.
Yeah. So you can do it. So like, you know, I know that I'm good financially, but I'm still doing my passion on the side.
So your passion could be your side hustle, and then once your side hustle gets big enough to be your job, then you can take it over.
Yeah.
But for the time being, you gotta pay rent, mortgage, food. So you need money, and it's no fun not having money. So
what you do now, you actually enjoy.
I do, but I won't be doing my job forever.
Yeah. But like you enjoy it now. You've been doing it for years.
Yeah, 10, 15 years, and and I'll change. Erin and Lapore. I probably got all that wrong, every single.
Ian, I'm Ipor.
How tall I am and how old I am. I'm gonna answer this question because my birthday is next month. So
happy birthday, my love.
well, you could give me a present. I'm 36 and I'm about 178 centimeters, 5'11". Yeah. This is from Christine Dyson. What are your advice to those Filipinos who want a relationship with a foreign guy?
That's for you, my love.
Be careful. Yeah, probably.
True.
I can be very, very careful on it because not everyone is normal, and I'm not normal, but people are a lot less normal than me out there. So if you want a relationship with a foreign guy, just be very, very careful. So, and do Facebook stalking and everything. Try and get the real person.
Yeah.
I don't have Facebook, so Raz couldn't stalk me.
It was hard, but I know you're right.
This one is for Raz. This is from Jute Maria. Can you give me advice on how to be a good YouTuber?
That's really hard because like
a lot of it's luck.
Yeah, but like
when you get started,
I'm not even a good one, you know.
No, Raz is a good one. When you get started, the hardest thing is getting recognised because there's so many channels out there. So you need a bit of luck to get recognised, and then get a bit of momentum, and then once you get momentum, you just got to keep on. Be consistent. And if you do all those and get all those, then you've got a good chance of, being a good YouTuber.
Good job, my love.
This one's for me. I can't pronounce that person's name, but
Riden Yangao.
Are these Filipino's names?
Yeah.
Okay. Kuya Dan, which part of Aunt Rhaze's body do you admire the most? The part I admire the most is she's skinny. I'm not skinny, so if I don't admire something, it's her skinniness. But she doesn't eat a lot, so that probably helps. Well, I eat a lot. So this is from Roche Salabava. Salava. What are your first impressions of Filipinos in general, and before marrying or meeting Raz?
Even before marrying or meeting me.
I don't know. I didn't have any.
But why did you go to the Filipino Cupid website?
Because I like Asians.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go.
But you haven't had experience with Filipinos?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've dated bloody. I guess I must have thought they were good looking. The women were good looking anyway for me to be to go to Filipino Cupid.
Yeah.
True. So that's probably would have to be the first impression. So yeah, a few good looking ones, but no one as good looking as you, my love. Ooh.
Why?
That's not good. This is from Jerry Tadina.
Jerly.
Yeah.
Tadena.
Tadena. What will you do if your partner lied to you? Nah.
That's right.
Yeah. No,
Well, don't kill them.
Depends what the lying's about. It could be a lie that breaks a relationship. So if someone cheated to you, and they lied.
So what will you do if
Depends what did
I
you lie
cheat
about.
on you?
Done. See you later.
That's right. Same here. If it's just like
Most lies can be forgiven.
yeah,
There wouldn't be too many that would be a deal breaker.
yeah. If it's just like like maliliit na lies lang.
Like someone broke in the house and ate our chocolate. That's not a deal breaker.
Sabi niya may pumasok na sa bahay, kinukuha yung mga chocolate namin. Buang lagi na.
This is from Mary and Georgino. Danny boy, I have a question. Please choose chocolate or rhaze. I think we all know this question. The answer. We all know this answer. What is it, Raz?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay, this is from Justine. Guinness, what is the most you like in Outraze? Ate, except for being the best wife and having a family-oriented daughter. You're a good person as well.
Yeah.
I'm extremely lucky. Like, I leave home every day. I go to work. Raz gets up. She works. But also, when I come home, all the house stuff is all taken care of. The cooking's done. So yeah, that's good. I appreciate all the hard work because it makes my life a bit easier. That's really cool. Not too many people have that, so that's good. Next one is from Yelena Theodore. Do you and Raz already own that house or just renting? The bank owns it still, so we own it. We're just paying the mortgage on it.
Yeah,
so
we're not renting.
Nah, not renting. And any advice for a simple diet? Oh, this is my specialty. Is don't go on a diet. My diet the last month has been no diet. We've done a lot of eating out and that, so I've fallen off the wagon a bit. I've got to get back on it because I want to try and be skinnier for the Philippines. So yeah.
You can do it. We can do it.
We'll try. Cosell Angel asked Dan, how will I know if the person I met through online is serious about having a relationship? No meetups yet. Ooh.
Yeah, tricky. Very
Ooh,
tricky.
how will you know?
Yeah, that's like a question to myself as well. How did I know that you were alright?
You don't know, to be honest with you.
You don't. I just trusted my gut feeling that yeah, this man's not a murderer. So, especially like with you, babe, you do not have any social media.
No, you never know.
Nothing.
Yeah, so you never know what someone's intentions are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks.
Until you meet them. So, Alexa Jill, can you show us a picture of your twin? Just curious. I got a twin sister, but she's been in Raz's videos before.
Yeah.
Hasn't she? So.
Oh, has she?
I think so. Maybe.
Not much.
Not much, maybe.
Yeah.
So she's skinny. They
don't look alike at all.
We don't look alike. She looks more Italian than me.
She's fit.
She's fit. So we're similar in that way.
Good job, my love.
Thank you. You might be. What is your best thing about having a Filipino wife? Best thing about having a Filipino wife, and this is someone from a different country or culture, it's just experience a different culture. I reckon that's a cool thing. It's not just the same old boring stuff. Raz's culture is a bit different than mine, and the food's different, and we get an excuse to go overseas every year, so that's good.
Do you prefer it more that Rhaze is not working, and why?
Raz is still working. She doesn't sit at home watching TV or. So yeah, she's just working. She just works at a.
Just works at home.
Just works at home. So yeah, she works like 8, 9, 10 hours a day. 5, 6 days a week. So she works a lot of hours. But I like her working from home. At least she can choose her hours and doesn't have to worry about traffic or.
Doesn't have to worry about getting leave for holiday, my love.
Yeah, she's got flexible life. This is from Jenny Garcia. I like that name, Garcia.
Garcia.
Do you want to buy a new house soon? No.
It's hard.
We do, but we don't.
Yeah, we do. We just like, kung meron na lang sana kaming baby ngayon, wala na, naghahanap na kami ng bagong bahay.
So in my head, I'm thinking 3 years, but you never know.
Loving the life you have. It looks simple, but it's grand for us. We live a simple life.
Simple life, very simple.
Yeah.
Very simple. We drive a simple car, live in a simple house,
Yeah.
and have simple bills, which is good.
We splurge every now and again, but not very
often.
often. Not like every month. Oh my gosh, I have my salary, I'm gonna splurge. No, we're not that kind of people.
No.
Yeah. We only splurge when we really want something. We don't splurge every single month when we get our paycheck, you know? We would rather save and put it for like, you know, bigger stuff in the future than like tiny little things.
If you're smart now, when you're older, you appreciate it. So
yeah, because I don't want to work until I'm 70.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. So simple life, easy life. If you were to choose, would you rather love the right person at the wrong time or the wrong person at the right time? Good one. I would go the right person at the wrong time. No point loving the wrong person at the right time.
Yeah.
So no point being with someone for the sake of being with someone because you feel like you've got to...
It's the right time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah, that's a really good answer, my love.
Yeah.
You know what? Someone asked us the same question when we did and we were like so confused. All of us were so confused. But it sounds way better and you can understand it more when it's in English. It was in Tagalog when they asked it. I can wash my hands and then start reading that while you enjoy your crabs. By the time finished.
Okay.
1 second.
How are you going to break open these claws, babe? We might have to smash them. Yeah, I'll put them here.
Do you want me to get you the center?
I have to go up there. You can't smash them here.
From Erod Eval, what do you guys, the husbands, talk about when you are having a get-together with the Indies?
What do we talk about? I know we talk sport.
Yep.
We all like sport.
Money.
Money. The news.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Their wives.
The wives. How loud they are.
From May Lesondra, what would be the first thing on your mind when you arrived in Australia meeting Dan? No, I already know Dan. Like, I already met him before I came here. So we already met in Thailand and then he went to the Philippines with me.
One thing she did say when she arrived, we're driving from the airport back to our house and Raz goes, there's a lot of trees. So
Na-notice ko lang, ang daming trees.
and you don't notice it, because I never noticed it because I'm here, but there's trees everywhere. Everywhere there's trees, everywhere.
Yeah.
So
That's the first thing I said.
the first
I
thing
think.
she said.
Or I noticed,
Yeah.
at least. Well, aside from like, there's no one here. Where's everybody?
Yeah, there's a lot less people.
Whoa! This is like a like Miss Universe question.
Right.
From Kay Cascalia, what can you say about early pregnancy since it is really rampant in this new generation? Ask Dan. This is for you, my love.
Early pregnancies?
Yeah.
Like
maybe early unplanned pregnancy.
okay. Yeah. But I'm not Miss Universe. No, but I think if you get pregnant, it goes both ways. Like the husband or partner or boyfriend can't run away. So if you're old enough to do the deed, you're old enough to be an adult and support it.
And you're lucky.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
blessed with a baby. Not everyone
Yeah,
is
you're probably
blessed
lucky.
right away.
Yeah. Yeah, so take responsibility of it.
That's right. From Beverly Ramos, ask Dan, what sport could you play the longest in a televised game without anyone discovering you aren't a professional athlete?
Hot dog eating contest. I could play, yeah.
That's not even a freaking sport. Oh, from Rovi Christine Layong. When you have your own kids, who will be the disciplinarian and the spoiler one? You always like role play this.
I think the kids will have more fun with me.
I think I will be the more disciplinarian, for sure.
She will be, but as I get older, I will be.
Yeah, because I think when they're older and they know how to talk back, I'm just gonna shut up and like, okay. From Jason Tutor. How important is having fun? Example, annoying your partner with simple things in a relationship. Do you think it's essential for all relationships to have?
Yes.
He annoys me way too much, and I think it's working. So yeah, I think it's necessary.
It gets Raz out of her moods.
Yeah.
So.
He annoys me. You annoy me way too much though, to the point that like it's like really annoying and you make me grumpy. Oh no, that's a good one, babe. Can I have that? Oh, it's really good. Mine didn't have eggs.
Yeah.
Aww, from Meet Galas. How many kilos did you lose? You look so different. Thin your face, not chubby anymore.
No. I did lose it.
I
did lose it, but I got it back. From Lara Fajardo. Dan and Rhaze, how do you like your mother-in-law and father-in-law? I like them both.
My mother-in-law and father-in-law, I like them as well.
My father, we don't see that often. So.
Yeah, but he's probably watching this. So
yeah. he doesn't want to come. He doesn't want to invite us over for dinner.
From Princess Asher. Ask Dan, what do you think your life would be today if you haven't been married to Simply Rhaze? Simply Rhaze, John.
I know, it'd be one of two things. Either I'll be single or with someone.
I'm pretty sure you'll be with someone.
Yeah, I reckon I would be as well.
Do you think you'll be married though?
No, I don't think I'll be married.
No, really?
Nah, I don't think I'll be married.
No one will say yes?
No one will say yes. Because the married thing takes, normally takes years, not months.
From Trixie Castillo. Naka-move on na kaya ako kay ex dahil di na ako umiiyak at wala akong pake sa kanya kahit may baby kami na 1-year-old pa lang?
Let me answer that question. So, no, you have moved on, but the ex is always going to be part of your life because ex share a baby. And
next question. Is it right for me not to show him my baby anymore?
Oh, it's wrong.
In return to what he's done to me, so he must have done like
pretty
shitty things.
Yeah, it's pretty shitty, but you can't deny like a parent their baby.
But you did not know this person though. What if the guy is like a bad guy?
Depends. If he's a violent person, or done anything illegal, then yeah, you can deny because you got to protect the baby. But if he's just if he cheated on you, if he's, being a prick to you, that doesn't give her the right to...
Yeah, and that has nothing to do with the baby.
Yeah.
So the baby still has the right to know his or her... Parents. Yeah. But if he's not safe to your baby, then yeah, protect your baby.
Yeah.
But if he's safe naman, but he just like cheated on you and did something to you, then I think the baby deserves to know him.
Yep.
That's just our opinion. What are the characteristics of a good husband for you?
A good husband for me is a man that will look after me, protect me, and feed me.
From Renato Malimit, how did you tell your parents that you and Rhaze will get married?
Yeah, that was good fun. I can't remember how I told him, but I know that it was a awkward conversation. Like before I met Raz in person, I think I told my brother. I think I told Christian and some mates. I can't remember if I told any of my mates or not, but I definitely told my brother. My work colleagues, I didn't tell I was getting married. I just went into work the Monday after the wedding with a big cake saying, I'm married or just got married, something along those lines.
Yeah.
And they were pretty shocked.
Yeah, they had no idea that he was with someone. How did you tell your parents?
I would just told them I'm getting married. I'm getting married.
He's not young, so...
Yeah.
From JP Lasam, what was the best and worst experience you've been through as a couple?
Alright, best experience, there's a couple. Wedding day and the holidays, I reckon, are best experiences.
Aww.
True? Yeah, a really good experience. Worst experience as a couple was probably the fights.
Have you tried kissing at the race in front of her family? From Justine Vallejo. Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, we kiss. Not like chaka kiss. Not that. Like, we kiss all the time.
Yeah, they're fine.
From Carrie Acuna. You saw that?
When are you planning to vlog?
You already have many subscribers.
I got 11,000.
Good job.
I would love to get 100,000. my own button, because Rose has got her own YouTube button. I want a YouTube button.
You don't deserve it. You don't even upload a video.
Yeah, no, I've got to upload, but no one's gonna watch it, so.
Yes, they will watch it.
And it won't be interesting.
Like no one's forcing you, but like don't say that they won't watch it because they will.
I want a vlog though on your channel.
Okay.
I got to do a vlog. It's gonna happen.
Oh.
One day.
See, I don't like even mention it at all anymore. I don't want to force him. I don't want him to vlog because like I forced him. I want him to vlog because he wants to vlog. From Nicole Bacani, how many ex-girlfriends do you have?
25.
And what age did you have your first girlfriend?
7. I can't remember. Well, depends. What would you class a girlfriend? So, say the first girl, you know, holding hands and going on a little date.
She was your first girlfriend?
What's a girlfriend? Someone that you had sex with, or with someone that you're holding hands?
No, not sex right away.
Like when I was 12?
Because you don't have courtship when you're like exclusively dating. That's a girlfriend, Mala.
Is it?
Why? What do you consider as a girlfriend?
I don't know ideas. I'm trying to think. What do you? When I was in primary school, I had a girlfriend.
Primary school.
So does that count? I was a kid. I had a girlfriend. We got
Did you really?
Yeah, we got each other Christmas presents. And at lunchtime and recess, we used to sit next to each other.
How old were you, Mala?
I don't know, 11, 12.
Oh, good job, man. A couple?
I was alright back then.
So, wow. Then you've had a lot of girlfriends then.
No, that was just, that's, I don't know if that one counts.
From James de los Arcos, may plano po ba kayo magpakasal ulit sa Philippines?
It will happen. I promise you it's gonna happen.
From Diane Agarao, what was your life like before you met Rhaze?
Good. Honey. Nah, life's always good.
Grabe siya.
But it's complete now, that's the difference.
Aww.
Not quite, we need some kids.
From Lori Lee Loyola, what special characteristics do you see in Rhaze that you did not see from your past relationships?
Whatever she does, she wins, so that's good.
Over, no, not all the time.
If she wants to get something done, she'll do it. She goes, I want to do this, she'll do it.
Yeah.
Like, if she wants to wash too many blankets and try and hang them up in a little clothesline, and it's impossible, she'll do it. So, yeah. So,
over.
Yeah.
Di na po ba kayo nahihiya umutot sa isa't isa? Are you not shy to fart around each other?
Nah. I fart around other people. You gotta be like the quiet one so no one notices. And you gotta keep your face straight. So, it's true. Because everyone's like,
how do you keep your face straight?
I've got a good poker face. I do.
Jeez, Daddy. From Althea Barredo, what would you do if you find out that your hubby or wife is cheating on you?
Dump them.
Well, at least in our case, because some people will give other people second chances.
Yeah, it's up to them.
I think it's because we just know that it's not gonna happen, so we're like, if it happens, it's done. From Just Mikay, I'm a teacher by profession, ate, pero ayokong magturo. But she doesn't want to teach. But my mom wants me to. What will I do?
As long as you're working full time, doesn't matter, I guess. Yeah. And what you do is going to be a good job as well.
As long as you have like a backup plan as well. Not just like, oh, I don't want to teach and like not do anything.
Then nothing, yeah.
Yeah. How do you handle your relationship during the times that you're fighting? From Darren Cervantes. Dan likes like talking it through. Like, talk to me. Talk to me. What's wrong?
What's wrong?
Talk to me. And then I just don't talk. I don't like talking. No. I mean, especially when I'm mad, I'm not gonna talk. If I talk, then I'm gonna be like, blah, 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 and I don't like doing that.
I'll give her space, and sometimes I'll just annoy her.
Yeah, like sometimes he will give me space. It's like 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can hear his like footsteps walking towards me and then start annoying me. I end up with like no choice at all but just to, okay, we're fine now. Last question, kasi sobrang dami guys, sorry if we can't answer everything. But from Joshua Ortega, what is your opinion about same-sex relationships?
Same-sex relationships are fine.
Yeah.
I have nothing against same-sex relationships. Say, 2 guys or 2 girls, whatever. That's fine.
Yeah. Love someone that makes you happy. You are free to love someone who you want to love.
Yeah,
and
that's fine. Yeah, that's nothing wrong with
that.
that.
That's good. Nothing wrong with it.
Yeah.
And that's it for our mukbang Q&A. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys next time. Be good. Bye!